Good morning, everybody. I just want to connect today and have one conversation that sometimes I don't like to talk about, or I don't like to maybe discuss around, not online, which is passive income. Yeah, it's a conversation about financials, income, money, saving, investing. I'm not a financial expert or advisor, so don't take advice from me. Just take and grab and put in your helping tool or your personal tool, whatever works for you, whatever you can absorb from my experience, whatever you can listen and learn, or maybe look more and do your own research. But this is my own experience. Yes, my husband and I, we have a small business. It's more like a rental, real estate, property management business. It's a mid-sized portfolio. It's not large, but we are about to expand. And it's a good opportunity for you to share with you how we do it, how we start the evaluation and determination if the deal is a good deal, or if the real estate that we're going to invest in is a good, profitable opportunity. So this is an actual Excel format spreadsheet that we use when we're going to buy a house. In this case, we're going to buy it in Airbnb or a real estate to convert it in an Airbnb, which is a short-term rental. We normally have long-term rentals, which is from 6 months to 1 year or more. So this is going to be our first experience doing a short-term rental, and it's a duplex. And this is a nice spreadsheet that we use, and it's easy. You add here the amount of the property, and if you are going to add 50%, it will tell you exactly how much of the down payment you need to do, blah, blah, blah. And if you're going to have a mortgage, and if you're going to have one partner, or you're going to have several partners, you can add the numbers of investor here, and it gives you how much you're going to take home. So I use this with my husband. I created this. This is an amazing spreadsheet that we had created for the longest of maybe 10-15 years, and we're using it, and we're using it right now to assess our business, the potential investment. With that spreadsheet, we determine if it's worth, or if it's worth it, this particular property to be invested as an Airbnb. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna try. We're gonna have the courage, and we're gonna be a risk taker in this economy that is super high, to see if we have a good deal, to see if we really love to be owners of an Airbnb. Guys, we have done a lot of research, a lot of reading, a lot of speculation, where we're learning about our laws and regulation from our neighborhood, from our town, whatever the city prohibit, we want to follow it before we get into this property. But we are having a good time. We are enjoying the process, and we're about to have a walkthrough tomorrow to the house, which is a duplex, 2 houses. So let's see how it goes. I think this super duper magic Excel has given us the trust. We have followed this special formula for, I will tell you the truth, for the last 15 years, and we never go wrong. We have never done a business deal that has failed us in the real estate. As a business owner, that's a small victory, because we never have closed a year negative. The property is for sale, $580,000, is 2 duplex, 3 bedroom, 2 baths, which is a considerable bigger unit. It's a correction. It's a duplex, which is a big property with 2 sections. I think I say 2 duplex. My bad. And if we put a 15% down, we had to have a down payment of $87,000. And what we like to know is normally the return. But this is the part that I don't like to discuss in public. In this case, we're not going to put a 15% down. We're going to buy cash. We had some money that we have allotted for investments, and we have acquired big substantial amount of savings. So we are trying to make a deal because we don't want to spend almost $600,000 in these two properties, but we're not going to have a mortgage. That's the blessing part of the deal. So at this point, we're trying to figure out if the return of investment is there, if we offer this amount of money that we have in our mind, our deal price, if we can get 10% out from this property, a monthly 10%. So we normally do that. It's not a perfect method. It's not a perfect formula, but it hasn't failed us. So that's the deal so far. So I'll keep you posted. I will let you know if our ideal price, it gets accepted. So if we don't have a 10%, we might not do it, or we might do it, or we might risk it. So I'll keep you posted. So one more thing. I'm going to link this spreadsheet that I'm using. I'm going to link it in this video in case you want to use it. I have a website that I normally sell digital products. This digital product is available for the mentoring and coaching clients that I do. I have another business that I mentor people and I coach people. So some of those tools that I use with them is accessible for sale. You can buy it. You don't need it. You don't want it. It's okay. You don't need to buy it. Believe me, this is just a journey that I want to share with you. You don't need to commit to buy nothing. But if you want it, it's there for you. So I hope you subscribe to the channel. I hope you like this video, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend ahead of you. Be blessed. This is Yana. Bendiciones.